Have you ever noticed this? Some men collapse under pressure, while others stand calm in absolute chaos. It's not strength, it's not IQ, it's wisdom. Stoicism teaches us that weakness often reveals itself not in actions, but in words. Today, we expose 5 phrases that instantly betray a fragile mind. If you hear yourself saying even one of these, you are quietly sabotaging your own power. Let's begin. 1. It's not my fault. This is the anthem of the powerless man. When things go wrong, he looks outward, the economy, the boss, the system, bad luck. By blaming the world, he confesses something dangerous. The world controls me. Epictetus, a slave who became a philosopher, taught a brutal truth. Some things are in your control, most things are not. The fool tries to command the storm. The wise man adjusts the sails. Imagine 2 ship captains caught in a violent sea. One screams at the wind, curses the waves, shakes his fist at the sky. The other says nothing and tightens his grip on the wheel. When you say, "It's not my fault," you are the man screaming at the storm. A Stoic understands this. The event may not be your fault, but the response is always your responsibility. Blame keeps you a child. Responsibility turns you into a man. 2. He made me angry. This sentence exposes emotional slavery. It means your mind has no walls. Anyone can walk in, rearrange the furniture, and burn the house down. Seneca called anger temporary madness, not strength, not passion, madness. Here's proof. A man gets shoved in a crowd. He explodes, ready to fight. Then he notices the man is blind. Instant calm. Same shove, same force, different judgment. So who caused the anger? Not the shove, the opinion about the shove. If your mood depends on other people's behavior, you are not in control. You are controlled. The Stoic becomes a cliff. Insults are rocks. They bounce off. If you are easily provoked, you are easily owned. 3. I'll be happy when. This is how men postpone their entire lives. I'll be happy when I get the job, when I make money, when I retire. The present becomes a prison cell, the future a fantasy. Marcus Aurelius, emperor of Rome, reminded himself daily, confine yourself to the present. There is a story of a fisherman resting with his family. A businessman tells him to work harder, grow richer, build an empire. And then, the fisherman asks, then you can relax and enjoy life. The fisherman smiles. That's exactly what I'm doing now. Ambition isn't the problem. Attachment is. If you can't find peace today, you'll be miserable tomorrow, just richer. Stop waiting to live. 4. Why is this happening to me? This phrase reveals resistance to reality. Pain is inevitable. Suffering is optional. The Stoics practiced amor fati, love of fate, not tolerance, love. Life is a gym, not a spa. A weak opponent makes you weaker. A strong opponent forges you. When life hits you hard, it isn't punishment, it's training. Marcus Aurelius thanked the gods for difficulty because hardship revealed his character. The foolish man curses the fire. The Stoic becomes it. Stop asking, why me? Start asking, what is this teaching me? 5. I already know that. This is the tombstone of intelligence. The man who says this isn't protecting knowledge, he's protecting ego. Epictetus said it clearly. It is impossible to learn what you think you already know. There's a Zen story of a scholar visiting a master. The master pours tea and keeps pouring. It spills everywhere. The cup is full, the scholar shouts. Exactly, the master replies. A full cup can receive nothing. The foolish man walks through life guarding ignorance. The Stoic stays a student. He asks questions, admits mistakes, looks foolish today to become wise tomorrow. Final truth. These 5 phrases are prison bars: blaming others, surrendering emotions, postponing happiness, resisting fate, pretending to know. But here's the secret. The door is unlocked. Stoicism isn't about suppressing emotion. It's about eliminating stupidity. Catch these words before they leave your mouth. Replace them with responsibility, discipline, and action. If this video sharpened your mind, like it, subscribe, and keep walking the path while others stay trapped in theirs. The choice, as always, is yours.